Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a dino game on Scratch. Okay, so we're going to make a dino. So you're just going to want to get a picture from Google Chrome of a dino. And then you're going to want to have a line. So you're just going to want to draw your own line and draw cactuses on it. You want to make 4 levels. Any levels you want. And then you're going to want to make a blue rectangle. And it can be any size you want, just make a blue rectangle, and you just want to put on the side of the screen right there. So let's get everything into position. Let's go to the dino and let's code it. So first we're going to do when flag clicked, switch costume to that costume, and go to position. So go to this position. I'm going in right now. Okay, and then we're going to do when space key is pressed, a repeat block, 2 repeat blocks actually, and a Y and X block. So skip those, and then just a Y block right here. So you're gonna do -10 on this one, and you're gonna do 4 on this one. So when space key is pressed, you should be able to jump like that. Then we're just gonna put it back, and we're gonna do when flag clicked, forever, change X by 5. Let's do that. So now we will go forward by 5 forever. So yeah, we're gonna do when flag clicked, forever, if touching color, and we're gonna push on this color. We're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go over the cactus like that, and we're gonna do stop all. So go to control and scroll down a little bit, and it'll say stop all. Just put it in that code. So let's just do when flag clicked again, forever, if touching color, and this will be touching color blue. So let's go to touching color blue. So go to this on the side of the screen and do that. So if touching color blue, then broadcast a message. And the message will say next. Okay? And then just go to this position. Go to that position. And let's go to next level, or we can just go to next level, and when we receive, so when flag clicked, go to that position, and then go to line, when I receive, next, switch costume. So we can just do next costume. And when flag clicked, go to that position. So go to this position. Or we can do switch costume to costume 1. So let's see how this works. Push the flag, we're going. Oh, I was dead, but if you're a good player. So looks like something is not right. Maybe. So actually no, it's just one okay. And then it should go again, but we want it to go on this line. So we're just gonna do not here. It's gonna go to this position. So to 12, 31. So I died. And you can do as many levels as you want. And sorry that again. So you can do as many levels as you want, but this is basically how you do a skin.